Hi there, my name is Marcel First and I welcome you all to my 5th episode of Overland Vagabond. Now that we got to know the master craftsman behind the CondorPlus cell, today it's time to look at the cell build itself. Promised, lots of pictures and videos, but you need to watch it till the end. Building a cell is a process that requires lots of expertise and experience. And as you will see in this episode, there is lots of specialized manual work involved. I've collated the cell development process into the following series of pictures and clips and added some captions to describe each major phase. I've preferred, though, not to complement it with an audio comment, so that you can better enjoy a new song of the Vagabonds that I'm introducing here called Long-Haired Country Boy. The title reminds me when I was a teenager. Enjoy! I'm sure by now you are eager to see the completed vehicle, but you will have to patience another few more episodes until I will do the unveiling. In the next episode, I will focus on the development of the interior of the cell. There is so much going on there, from the hydraulics to the heating equipment, to the pretty sophisticated electrical gear and circuitry, the carpentry works, and so on. I would be keen to receive more comments from yourselves. Please don't hesitate to ask questions regarding the build or the overall venture, and I will try my best to give you my personal opinion and unbiased answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, please subscribe and or leave a comment down below. See you next time.